My name is Mustafa Yasir and today I'm here to present to you version 2 of Stella X. The first version of Stella X is a DBFC winner inspired carbon 8 design. The second version of Stella X includes automation, which has a Pixhawk. Also, we have also upgraded the push rods of the servos, added better landing gears, and also a camera VTX module. Here we're gonna see the fly in a few minutes where Stella X version 2 flies. Hopefully it will fly safe. Also, the second version of Stella X will have a camera on the bottom of it, an FPV camera, which is a pretty unique idea if you ask me. Anyways, the push rods of these are more thick, which will increase the feed of the servo motors and the control surfaces. The first fly of Stella X was incredibly amazing, as this fly had a camera module on the bottom and the camera view was very good. The signals of it were also very good and there wasn't any radio interference.